Have you ever calculated the amount of loss you're making because of delayed deliveries in your medicine supplies? Trust me, once you calculate it, your minds would be completely blown away. Hi, my name is Amit Bajaj. I am the business head of Bajaj Formulations. We are a WHO certified pharmaceutical formulation unit based in Roorkee. In the past 12 years, we have helped over 2,500 companies increase their business from 37% to more than 500%. We have our medicines presence in each and every district of the country. In this video, I am going to tell you how to calculate your loss caused because of delays in deliveries of your medicines. To calculate this loss, you just need to figure out 5 figures. Number 1, what is the average value of your prescription? मतलब जब एक डॉक्टर आपकी मेडिसिन लिखता है तो एक प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पे अप्रोक्सीमेटली कितने रुपीस की मेडिसिन वो डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब करता है. सेकंड, नंबर ऑफ डॉक्टर्स प्रिस्क्राइबिंग दैट मेडिसिन, मतलब कितने डॉक्टर्स हैं जो वो मेडिसिन आपकी लिखते हैं. थर्ड, जो डॉक्टर्स आपकी मेडिसिन लिखते हैं वो एक दिन में इस मेडिसिन की कितनी प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस निकालते हैं. मीनिंग दैट the total number of doctors who are prescribing these medicine of yours prescribe this medicine how many times in a day, in how many prescriptions in a day. Fourth, whenever there is a delay, what is the approximate number of days of the delay? मतलब जब भी शॉर्टेज होती है आपके प्रोडक्ट की या सप्लाईज में जो डिले होता है वो कितने दिन का होता है. एंड फिफ्थ, ऐसा साल में कितनी बार होता है. How many times in a year this particular product is in shortage? We surveyed 113 marketing companies and the average amount of loss that they were incurring due to shortages was around 13 lakh of rupees per product in a year. मतलब साल में एक प्रोडक्ट की शॉर्टेज से वो approximately 13 lakh worth of rupees की सेल्स लूज कर रहे थे. Now if you multiply this with the number of products, suppose you have 10 products short throughout the year, so this figure goes to from 13 lakh to 1 crore 30 lakh per year. And if you calculate the loss for 10 years, it comes to 13 crore. Now if you calculate the loss for 50 years, presuming that we are doing the marketing business for a 50 years lifespan, the loss in sales comes to rupees 65 crore. मतलब ये जो 65 करोड़ का जो लॉस है दैट इज अ डायरेक्ट लॉस, बिकॉज जो आपके इसके अगेंस्ट एक्सपेंसेस हो रहे हैं वो तो हो ही रहे हैं. द ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट अर्न्ड इन दिस 65 करोड़ ऑफ सेल वुड हैव डायरेक्टली गॉन टू योर बैंक अकाउंट, जो कि सारा का सारा यहीं खो गया. इतने साल में जो एक्चुअली घर आना था वो सिर्फ डिलीवरीज की वजह से ही वी हैव कंप्लीटली ruined it. We at Bajaj Formulations have devised a World Class System where we guarantee up to 97% of timely deliveries. Our in-house developed World Class software not only automatically controls the production process based on the days, based on the date of order, the availability of raw material in the stock, the supply of packing material, but also gives a exact and real-time status update to all our customers. मतलब हमारा जो सॉफ्टवेयर है ना वो रॉ मटेरियल की कैलकुलेशन और रॉ मटेरियल का स्टॉक भी ऑटोमेटिक मेंटेन करता है, पैकिंग मटेरियल की सप्लाईज भी ऑटोमेटिकली मेंटेन करता है, और जब हम उसको प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस में लेते हैं उसकी स्केड्यूलिंग भी ऑटोमेटिकली करता है कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट का ऑर्डर पहले आया था और वो पहले बनना है. इन एडिशन टू दिस, when an order is received till the time it is dispatched, at each and every stage of the manufacturing process the customer is communicated by way of SMS, WhatsApp and email at various stages by this software. मतलब हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर ऑटोमेटिकली आपको WhatsApp भेज देगा, SMS भेज देगा और ईमेल भेज देगा regarding the status of the production, like granulation, printing, production, wherever the product is, and as soon as it is dispatched, that message is also sent to you. Next month we are going to open this software with a customer interface wherein the customers can directly log in into our software and access the entire history of orders they have placed with us, including their date of order, date of designing, date of printing, date of dispatch, date of payment, test reports, quality analysis, everything by just simply logging in into the system. You are invited to place your orders and use our world class system to convert your huge amount of losses into huge amount of profits. You can connect with us on the email IDs and phone numbers mentioned here and send your queries through email or telephone. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get regular updates about the pharmaceutical industry and our manufacturing process. Thank you very much.